This tutorial will show you how to use the Windows Remote Arduino Experience software. It is a free software that allows you to control your Arduino remotely. You can get it from the Microsoft Store. Once you've opened it, you are taken to a window like one shown here. Here we have a drop-down list for connections, which contains Bluetooth or USB or network. It's a way to connect your PC to the remote Arduino. For us, we have our Arduino connected through USB and no need of the remaining options. OK. Once you click on USB, with your device connected to it, your device will be shown here and select the device and connect. You can see here, there's an exception that you need standard Fermata on the Arduino board so as to connect to Windows Remote Arduino. You don't worry. I've given a link where you can download standard Fermata and upload it to your board. Open it. If you have Arduino IDE installed on your device, it is defaulted as all files with INO extension will be opened by Arduino software. You can see on the top of the code that this Fermata is only supported by boards with ATmega 328P or boards with ATmega 32U4. Check out for that. Once uploaded, reopen the Windows Remote Arduino software and then switch the connection type to USB and then you can see your device listed down. Select it and click Connect. Now, you are taken to a window as here. In the top, we can see it's written digital. It means that the connected board's digital pins are listed here. OK, I've connected an LED to pin 9. Let's scroll down to pin 9 and we can see, it's already in output. So no need to switch that. Turn the next switch, the 0 volt to 5 volt. OK, let's see that. The LED has turned on. Switch that to 0. The LED is off now. OK. Next, we have the analog pins array listed. This board has 6 analog pins from A0 to A5. I've connected an LDR, a light-dependent resistor, to A0. Let's see the input values on A0. Yeah, it's working. Look at that, when I bring it to dark by covering it by my palm, the value reduces. OK. Next we have PWM. PWM stands for pulse width modulation. It's used for advanced purposes that we beginners don't seem to be useful. Anyways, that's the way to use this app. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.